Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the profile icon in the Google Chrome web browser. So up in the top right corner, you can see we have an icon up here. Please keep in mind this tutorial is not going to remove a generic icon from appearing up here. That's unfortunately unavailable to actually turn off. So for example, if I just open up another browser of Chrome and I were to switch the user here, so if I switch to a guest account, just for example, you notice that there's still a little icon up here. Unfortunately, we cannot remove that. However, we can get rid of the customized user icon you may have up here. So in order to do that, it's very simple. Just go ahead and left click on the icon one time. And then where you want to locate the little gear icon where it says other people, so click on that. Select the account profile you want to remove from your Chrome browser and select the three-dotted vertical icon that comes up at the top right corner of the image and select remove this person. Please know this will permanently delete your browsing data from this device, or browsing history, passwords, bookmarks, and autofill form data. You see the list here, and go ahead and just select remove this person. And there you go guys, simple as that. So again, pretty straightforward process there. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.